Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we want to make a video about how to replace cabin filters for 2013 BMW 528i or BMW F10. I kind of had a hard time doing it, so I had to have my friend help me with it. He actually did the whole thing. So yeah, stay tuned. It is a little bit tricky because there's some other BMWs same year, and the air filter is in a different place. It's not in this one. Is underneath the glove box. So yeah, stay tuned. It is under here, under the glove box. So I don't know why Germans make it complicated. They could have just put it right in the glove box, or maybe somewhere on the hood. But yeah. Okay, so first of all, there are some screws here to unloose right there. That one on the corner, and then all this part here needs to be taken out. So, okay, that screw is out. So he's just gonna push it forward for it to come out. Yep, like that. Okay, next we're gonna take out these screws. This one right here, right underneath the glove box. There's another one here to get to the air filter inside. I mean the cabin filter. Okay, so once you remove the screws, there's two clips. There's one right there, and there's another one right there. And then it comes down and then you have to disconnect that connector right there too to get to the cabin filter. I keep saying the air filter, I don't know why, but it's the cabin filter. It's right there. Alright. Okay, so this is the panel where the cabin filter is. It's inside. There's one screw right there. There's another one in the back, and I believe there's another one on the other side too. So we'll let you know how many screws in total once Hisham takes it out. Okay, as we said earlier, that's the panel where the air cabin filter is. So it has 4 screws. You already took it out, and those screws are right there. One there, one there, one there, and another one in the back. So once you take that out, I think we're good to go. And yeah, just stay tuned. So we finally got to the cabin filters. They're right here. This is the panel that he just took out. Right there is one here, one here. So yeah, there we go. You're definitely gonna get some fresh air now. Okay guys, so these are the ones. These are the dirty ones. Look at how dirty they are. Those are the new ones. One thing you need to pay attention to, the airflow. So whenever you take them out, you gotta make sure you remember what direction is this arrow to. So yeah, so it's facing inside to the like towards the seat. So you make sure you do the same thing when you put the new ones, so that way you won't have any issues. All right. So these are the slots where the cabin filters go. Right here. So one here, one in the back. It was really dirty, so I'm glad we got to replace it. So that's it, guys. So yeah, and then putting it back, you just follow the same steps you did backwards. And yeah, just one thing too, be careful with these wires right here. Make sure they're, you're not kind of grabbing them, because once you disconnect them, you're gonna have issues. So just be careful. Okay, this is the last step. Is connecting the negative terminal back. And that's it. I believe we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it's going to be useful for people that have the same car I have. Next video, I'm going to do something different. Like my wheels are all plastic dips. I'm going to redo them, so I'll definitely do a video about that. So whoever want to do it, it's easy. It doesn't cost a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.